We will now do some loosening exercises. We're going to do 2 loosening exercises today. They are the first and second parts of Huang Shyang Shen's 5 loosenings exercise. And so for most of these, we're starting out in our Wuji stance, so we will go ahead and sink until our thighs have the weight, dropping the pelvis, dropping the chest, lifting C5, lifting the occiput. Again, our arms are just relaxed. There's about a fist distance at my elbow. My pelvis is remaining dropped. And again, we'll set these for 2 minutes, but you can do them longer if you wish by pausing this video and doing your own thing. Anyway, so I am going to fill with breath. I'm rising through the legs, my arms are rising, and then I'm dropping my shoulders, elbows, and wrists as I'm sinking into one leg. And that same leg's hand comes to the front. The other hand is over here by the kidneys. We rise again, and then we sink into the other leg. So this is our motion and our action. See that my torso is turning so that I'm angled here, and then I'm squared to the front, and then I'm angled to the other side. So you have a slight rise and fall in the body, coinciding with the rise and fall in the arms. As I'm doing this, I'm trying to have one foot that is substantial or apparent, one foot that is substantial, meaning it is holding the weight, the other is insubstantial. So if I sink into this foot over here, then this other foot looks like it's in the ground or on the floor, but it's really not. And so I'm rising, falling without that other leg, essentially. Okay, and that was more than our 2 minutes, so I'm going to pause. Again, we'll take a second to just shake things out if you need to or want to. Loosen things up. And our next loosening is the second of Huang Shyang Shen's 5 loosenings, and in it, we are rising and falling in both legs. So I'll just get us a little setup time here. Okay. So again, I'm going to go into my Wuji stance. And when I'm in this stance, I want to feel mostly equal pressure around the whole perimeter of the foot and everything just kind of sinking into the center of the foot. I do want to feel a slight shift forward when I'm in this stance, just to get myself straight up and down. And so for this second of the 5 loosenings, we are filling with breath and rising, and then we start to sink, and the arms just cross in front of the body. And so we will sink, and then we will rise. We want to be smooth and soft in our movements. I am currently doing a 5-count breath, so I inhale 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then I exhale 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. But if you want to do that a bit shorter, you could inhale 1, 2, 3, and exhale 1, 2, 3. You can do 7 or 9 or whatever a reasonable breath is for you. You also don't have to have the breath related to the body at all. You can just have the breath happening on its own while your body is doing the exercise. But what we're trying for really the most is that the arms and the legs, the upper body and the lower body, while moving at the same time, are not really moving together. So what I mean is that I'm not changing my elevation by moving my arms. My arms are moving on their own, my legs are moving on their own, and it all just happens to be occurring at the same time. So we're done with this one. We're going to let our arms come up and just drop them to release. And we will move on to the next exercise.